for threading hard and tough materials. Excellent internal thread tapping without chip-related problems. Roll taps for medium hardness carbon steels, Mhrz. Due to its popularity, the lineup has been expanded to include a semi-long and a long Z Pro. Until now, consistent roll tapping has been considered difficult for thermal refined steels above 25 HRC due to its high tapping torque. With a newly developed proprietary design in the threaded area of the tap, the Mhrz is able to achieve low threading torque. Increased endurance and high-level performance is possible thanks to the high wear-resistant material and special coating. Yamawa's Mhrz roll tap achieves consistent threading even with medium hard steels, which was in the past could only be produced with cutting taps. Mhrz produces better internal threads than cutting taps and has no chip-related problems. Revamped lineup includes the addition of semi-long and long versions. Semi-long Z Pro's length allows for increased lubrication from external tapping fluid. The addition of the new long version reduces workpiece interference. The recommended materials are medium hardness carbon steels and alloy steels, and the recommended tapping speed is 10 to 20 meters per minute. Mhrz produces consistent threading even when used with water-soluble fluids. Lower torque and long tool life. Try Yamawa's Mhrz roll taps for medium hard carbon steels. Semi-long and long Z Pro are now available. Yamawa, supporting future of manufacturing by improving our tools one by one.